Hello, now I will explain how to create receipt voucher against sales invoice in Vatrix POS and ERP. For that, first go to admin, click on setting. Next, click on setup cash ledger report and select the option RV button in invoice. Select the checkbox and click on save. Next, close this. Go to sales invoice and make the invoice. So I will select customer here. Next, enter item details. After entering the item details, click on save and approve. Now the invoice is completed successfully. Next, click on process RV button to process the receipt voucher against this invoice. Now all the invoice details is automatically fetched by the system, like debtors, customer details, amount, invoice number, everything. And you can select secondary account as per your requirement. Here I have selected cash customer. You can select bank, cash, anything as per your requirement. Next, click on save and click on approve. This is how you make receipt voucher against sales invoice in Vatrix POS and ERP. Thank you.